Good Saturday. Oh, where's the wine? It's Saturday. We're drinking. A little bit more. Come on. Oh, spill it, will ya? Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. What is this? That's a Denver steak. Have you heard of Denver steak? I didn't until last week. Look at the beautiful marbling. Denver steak is a cut of chuck. It's supposed to be cheaper, but they still charge a lot of money. I was at Walmart looking at ribeye, looking at New York strip, and they all looked kind of so-so, very expensive, and there was this Denver steak. Let's cook a Denver steak in our vintage villa. Let's cook a Denver steak in our vintage Visions cookware. We've got our beautiful 9-inch. Skillet. Don't skimp on the pepper. Flip over. Got some rosemary. Just a sprig or two of rosemary. Whoa! Welcome to my life. I wasn't gonna cook today. Oh, garlic. Oh, and some garlic. There's not much beef, so we're just gonna use one. I'll break it into a couple of pieces. We're good to go. We are good to go. We're good to go. Thank you. Beautiful visions. Beautiful visions. We're probably going to go medium high today. I've already made mashed potatoes. I tell you.
My stove not level. When I changed out the controls, I unleveled my stove.
Been about 8 minutes. If we don't cut her open, it didn't happen. I'm looking for pink. That looks good there. Denver steak. Oh, it's tender. Oh, Denver steak. Let's plate up some mashed potatoes. Whoa. Cheers, it's Saturday. Homemade mashed potatoes. Denver steak. Denver steak. Little fatty. It's delicious. I think I like Denver steak. Ooh. Oh. Focus. 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 Forget it. Denver steak. It's pretty tender. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy with it. Thank you for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.